Hello everyone. Okay, so this is the reading for the month of May 2021 for the zodiac sign Gemini's. Okay, so let's check it out. This is a situationship reading. That means either it is related to career or relationship. Okay, let me set myself first because it really I like to be comfortable while taking a reading or making a video. Okay, so yeah, let's see. Um, what are the current energies of Geminis in the month of May? You are being very open, okay? Your heart chakra is healing and you are being very receptive to accepting everything is coming, which is whichever or whatever is coming in your way. Geminis, you're getting weird dreams, okay? Weird imaginations you're happening. Different things are happening. You're going through a lot of maturity, okay? Very much you are going through a lot of maturity. You feel that you are really getting exhausted because there is a lack of wish fulfillment which is not happening, okay? Something which is not coming, okay? That's why you're feeling very much stressed out in the month of May and will be feeling very exhausted. You want to let go of certain things which is not happening, like it is taking time, okay? Wow, you are just going to going through a lot of integration about yourself, about the people around you. You are realizing a lot of facts and reality about the people around you, okay? You always think how you are brought up in this lifetime. That's the thing, okay? Yes, something is ending. Karmic cycle is ending. Yes, karmic cycle is ending and new beginnings are on the horizon. Like karmic cycle is ending for you in the month of May and new beginnings are on the horizon for next 2 months, okay? Yeah, you feel that you want to travel, explore somewhere, you want to relocate, shift, okay? You're waiting for some sort of major breakthrough in your life, either career or relationship, but that's not happening, and that is why you're feeling very exhausted because it is a lot of delays are happening into a situation, and which is creating a lot of chaos into your mental peace and as well as the outside world, okay? You're just going with the flow in the month of May, just going with the flow, just going to keep a lot of patience related to your life. Geminis, I think past is going to come back in your life, okay? And in the month of May, you will not be holding back. You will be at a time, you will be spending a lot, okay? So be wise with your spendings, okay? If you're thinking of investing, invest in a real estate in the month of May. Time is good, okay? You feel that you want to reach out to someone or someone should reach out to you, but your energy is blocked, you're not doing it, okay? You want some other person should reach out to you. You're waiting for some sort of uh, change, major shifts are going to take place, okay? You are no more going to overthink and sit. You are going to take action in the month of May. May will be the time of taking actions, moving away from fights, problems, disputes, disappointments, issues, okay? So yeah, if there was a third party situation in the past or a third party interference is there in the in your relationship in the past, okay? Whatever past you were dealing with, now you are going to more think about it, okay? Like you will, if past is going to offer a cup of love towards you, you will think twice and thrice, and you'll think that whether you should accept it or not. That's the thing, okay? Yes, a lot of hidden truths, hidden secrets will be coming out in the month of May. You feel like you want to leave the situation behind, leave the past behind, and you want to move forward. You are being very courageous. A lot of changes will be coming in next 8 to 10 months for you, because related to money, abundance, prosperity, finance, okay? Yes, for sure. Yes, you are waiting for some sort of an offer related to money or a big project which is not happening, which has been blocked, actually. That's the problem. Yes, something happened in the past and that disappointed you, and you are no more thinking about it. You are thinking to take an action related to it because no one is taking action, okay? So you feel that you need to take action. you want to end a pause, like there's a halt for a while, so you want to end that silence, okay, between you or your partner, okay, and you want an happily ever after with the person, okay, or the other person wants it, okay. uh, I think there's endings and new beginnings, not in the month of May, but something will end and something new will start in the upcoming months, in the future, in the next 3 to 4 months. Okay, new beginnings are on the horizon. Yes, there's a divine timing playing its role. There's always a divine timing playing its role when it comes to a love story or a relationship. You'll be very dominating in nature. You will not be taking waiting. Like in the upcoming few months, in the month of May, you'll be thinking of taking action, but it might be possible that in the upcoming months you will take, not in the month of May, but June, July, August. Okay, so yes, no more waiting but taking action. You are thinking of taking action. Very impatient energy. Okay. Okay. Okay, so my advice to you, Geminis, is that whatever your heart's desire is, whether it's a relationship, whether it's a person, whether it's your career, whether whatever you want to do it. Okay, don't think twice. The angels are supporting you, guiding you and protecting you in the month of May, as dreams will become reality. A lot of dreams, whatever you had, will become a reality. So angels are protecting you in the month of May, so do it, don't think twice. Okay, if you're thinking to travel, I know according to the current situation you cannot travel, but if you're thinking or planning a travel, plan it. Don't go it in the month of May, but in the upcoming months, whenever this pandemic goes in India, you can think of traveling or going just for 2 days holiday, 3 days holiday. You need to travel, you need to refresh your mind. Okay, or you can start any travel company as well. You'll be very good with that. Okay, a lot of abundance is on the horizon for you, Gemini's. Okay, you're fully supported as you devote yourself to your divine life purpose. The purpose of your lifetime you will get it, and the purpose will be that you want to earn, you want to be very abundant, whether it's with relationships or into your financial life, but you will be very abundant. Okay, so infinite abundance is coming your way in the month of May. Okay, yes, or in the upcoming months. Okay, so yeah, you will be very courageous, very powerful, very enthusiastic, very much into your own power. Okay, it means everything you have experienced in your life has made you stronger and courageous. Now you don't think that you have anything to lose. Now whatever comes in your way, it's an add-on, it's a bonus for you. That's what I feel, because you have gone through so much. Wow. I would suggest you in the month of May, spend time with animals, street dogs if you love it. Spend time with the animals and in the nature, because that will give you a sort of retreat mentality. Like you'll feel refreshed. Okay, because you understand animals and you can communicate with them intuitively. Okay, trust your inner guidance, as animals are a part of your life work. Wow, beautiful. The next is, you are being very protected by angel guardians, guys. Okay, like highly angel guardians and spirits are supporting you, are guiding you. You are safe and supported while you change your career. Even if you are thinking of changing a career, do it, because this is the right time of doing it. And angels and the Almighty is supporting you right now. Okay, so this is a good time for for you to take a risk. Okay, if you are dealing with crystals, or if you wish to start a diamond business, gold business, okay, you can go it related to crystals, ornaments, jewelry business. Okay, you can go for that. Okay, that's not an issue. So let's see what your love reading says. Okay. Oh, Geminis, either someone is attracted to you or you are attracted to someone. You are going, someone is definitely attracted to you. Okay, and you attract romantic love by enjoying this moment. I think someone, you will you are getting attracted, or someone is getting attracted to you in the month of May. Okay, so yeah, it's a good opportunity. I think Geminis, honestly, if you have, if someone, if you are attracted to someone, or if the other person is attracted to you, whatever your feelings are and whatever the other person is feeling, okay, you both need to have a heart to heart communication with each other, so that you can express your feelings. Okay, I think if you are single and if you are attracted towards someone, you need to communicate. Okay, if you are already into a relationship, and if there is physical or emotional distance, then you need to have a heart to heart communication. Okay, so yes, you need to have a heart to heart communication, because both have feelings, but one is not expressing, and the other one is holding back. That's the problem. Okay, so yeah. Wow, I like this Romance Angel Tarot deck. I don't know why. This really makes me. Wow, some of you might get married, or your relationship will go one step ahead. Okay, like if you're attracted to someone, or if you're dealing with a casual relationship, or a relationship, it will go, or it will turn out to be wedding, or a wedding situation might happen, a marriage, or some of you might get married. Okay, if you're single, you might get married, or you might think about getting married with a person who is attracted towards you, or for whom you have feelings. Okay, also one more thing, guys, if you are already married, some of you might be already married. Okay, so but you need to have a heart to heart communication with your partner. Okay, because I think there's emotional either or physical distance is there. Okay, so you need to have a heart to heart communication with your partner. Okay, because you are married to your partner, but you are not expressing what you actually feel. Okay, guys, some of you might be going through a religious and a spiritual awakening and a spiritual path. Okay, and trust me, like if if you are not focusing on your love relationship or relationship right now, or if there is a problem created by the universe in your love relationship or romantic relationship, so there is an other universe is calling you in the other part, like how to say, like universe is distracting you from romantic relationship to the spiritual path. Okay, because I feel angels are protecting you, but at the same time your love life is influenced by religious upbringing and a spiritual path. Okay, so some of you might be going through some twin flame connection or spiritual awakening process. Okay, because you are not satisfied with your a romantic relationship, or something is missing in your romantic relationship, but universe is changing your direction and changing your destiny. Okay, towards a spiritual path. Okay, do not ignore it, because angels are protecting you and angels have an eye on you. Okay, trust me, because this is what you are meant for in this lifetime. Okay, Geminis, you give others a lot. Okay, but you don't give yourself enough. Okay, so love yourself first. I just feel, even if you are into a relationship, your self-respect, your self-love is at most important. If you love yourself, only then the others will love you or will accept you the way you are. Okay, so raise your standards high, guys. Okay, so yeah. Okay, the last. Wow, your soulmate. I think basically, whosoever is single, they might meet their soulmates. Okay, and they might be getting a dreams about their soulmates. Okay, so yeah, some of you who are single, they might meet their ultimate true love or ultimate soulmate. Okay, and I think affirmations, prayers and visualizations will help you to attract your soulmate. Okay, even if you're in a relationship but you want to get married, so you need to start law of attraction for the same. Okay, because angels are protecting you again. Like, I think angels interference and universal interference is more into your love life. Okay, into your romantic life. Okay, The next is stay optimistic about your love life. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance. Okay, so few of you who feel that I'm not getting a partner, okay, trust the universe. There's a new person waiting for you, new energy is waiting for you, okay. Again I say, if you're dealing with a karmic relationship, that is going to come to an end. If you're dealing with a twin flame connection, reconciliation will happen. If you're dealing with any soulmate connection, okay, any friends, family members, or anyone can be your soulmate, okay. Soulmate relationship never dies, reconciliation happens, okay. So with your, like, romantic partner. So yes, this is a beautiful reading. It's all about love, happiness, weddings, marriage. Beautiful read, okay. Trust me, you're going through spiritual awakening, so it's a universal plan, okay, not your plan, okay. So whatever is happening in your personal life, don't feel that why it's happening in my life, because there is always a reason why, universe act in such a way, okay. So bye bye, take care guys. I hope you like this reading, I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers guys. Bye bye, take care.